Today marks the first day I'll be working on my car and making a car series on TikTok. I'm so tired of going to mechanics and getting totally ripped off. I had a bad experience and now my villain arc is here. So for the first episode, we're going to be changing the spark plugs. I've been wanting to do this for a while because I think the engine is pretty sluggish right now. And it has 120 something thousand miles, so I don't know when the last time they changed this, so this is going to be needed. And like I said, I'm the worst mechanic you could find out there. I have not done anything to a car. I have not even jacked up a car, so this is my real first time touching a car like this. Pause. But I do know a few things you need, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using. And if you think there's any problem with that, let me know what I can improve on, because I'm just starting to learn so I can save some money. So of course we got the spark plugs that I just got. It's Iridium NGK, which is a pretty good brand, I think. Some dielectable grease, I think that's what it's called. It goes for the spark plugs and the boot. Next, you're going to want to need some sort of torque wrench, I think. I've actually never used one of these before, but I know you do it by spinning it at the bottom. Here I have a ratchet and socket set. This is what it looks like. Very nice indeed. And finally, some gloves and some microfiber cloths if you have some dirt or something you need to clean. But these gloves are needed so you can rub the grease on the spark plug. So with that said, let's start this series. I'm excited, and let's see how far I can take this series with and how good of a mechanic I'll become in the end. Hopefully I don't mess anything up seriously, but I got you guys to help me, so let's go. Oh, and actually let's not forget about the gap tool. This is going to be used so we can gap the spark plugs properly, because even if they're from the factory, I heard they could still be wrong. So this is what we're going to be using to open that gap up if we have to. On the GTIs, it should actually be pretty simple because they make it pretty organized. These are going to be your coil packs that you're going to have to take out, and they should come out all together, and there's some clips here. Alright, so let's attempt to take these coil packs out. So if you have a flathead, you can actually use this to probe these pins out. So just like that, we got the wires out, and we can actually take the coil packs out now. Guys, remember, if I can do it, you can definitely do it. So I heard with some force, you can actually get these out of there, and I heard it's actually a bit difficult. Actually, never mind. What the heck? So as you can see, this is the coil pack. If you guys see any defects that I should be worried about, let me know. But to me, it looks good. Let's take the other one out. Oh, this one is definitely more in there. That's hard. I think there's some oil on these. What the was that? This just came out of there. Should I be worried? Maybe. But look at this. There's like stuff on there. I think it's okay. I'm not sure. Look at that. On the third one, there's some oil inside the coil pack. So if you look in there, this is what it looks like. Should I be worried? Should I be worried? Looks like there's oil. And this one. So I'm just going around it, cleaning it. The second one looks good. Damn. Looks like fresh oil. Oh boy. So here I have a 5/8 spark plug socket with a little wrench, and we're going to try and take these spark plugs out. And I think this has a rubber in here. Plug should stay. So I just got the first spark plug out, and this is what it's looking like right now. This thing looks burnt. You guys let me know what you think about this condition. I think it definitely needs to be changed. I think this is the original spark plugs. Holy moly. What even happened over here? This is so crazy. I hope there's no oil in there. Oh shit, boys. GG's in the chat or what? This thing is full of oil. And it's the third one. That cannot be good, guys. Let's check the last one. Hopefully the last one is not the same. This one is stuck in here. I think whoever put those there did not tighten those to torque. All kinds of different tightness. GG's in the chat, boys. This is all oily. It is full of oil. Guys, please like the video so I can fix this. I gapped one of the spark plugs. I want to put some of this grease right on the boot right here. This will make sure all the electrical stays. Look at that juiciness. Like this. And these spark plugs already come with a thread, so you don't have to put any anti-seize on there. And slowly tighten it. I'm going to tighten it first until I can't with this wrench, and then I'm going to torque it. I got all the spark plugs in the engine. I torque it now to 20 foot-pounds. Hopefully I don't mess this up. I'm just going to place it in here. Go until it clicks, right? Alright, that's one. Because maybe that's why there was oil, because it didn't freaking tighten this shit. That's probably not why. Your car is going to be like 300 horsepower now. It just goes in there so nicely, so next time you take it out, it should just slip out. So first we should be able to turn the car on. It's gonna blow up. If it blows up, you guys better give me 1,000,000 likes so I can buy a new engine. So thank you very much. 2, 1. Woo! I mean, they said for me to take it out. Who said? Google said.